Here we have the Uncross and Reverse anointing oil from Aromagees for all sorts of uncrossing spell work. Now, when you do uncrossing, let's say someone has cast, it could be a curse, a hex, a jinx, even just thrown some bad energy your way. You have options of the way you want to uncross it. Do you want to just take that bad energy off of you? Or do you want to send it back to the person who sent it in the first place? So if you want to send it back, not just take it off of you, you would use uncross and reverse because you're going to cleanse that bad energy off of you and let it boomerang back to the sender. I wouldn't really consider this a baneful magic because all you're doing is sending back what they started. You're just finishing the job. It has things like hyssop and angelica. There's verbena, peppermint, calendula, other herbs and flowers that we use. Calendula is often used in Appalachian folk magic for protection, and there is a sense of protection in here too. It's taking things off of you, shielding you from it coming back as it sends back to the person who did the baneful work to begin with. So that is our Uncross and Reverse oil found at aromagees.com and aromageesbotanica.com.